Hello, it's John. Thank you for clicking on my channel. Well, my latest little project in the garage is another lamp, and I gave one of my lamps to one of my friends, and I thought I'd have a go at doing one of these lamps. It's a Tilley lamp, and I got it off eBay. I didn't pay a lot for it. And I'm finding out more about these kind of lamps. They're a lot brighter than the hurricane lamps. Anyway, nice to say it's come complete, but it does need all new seals and a very good clean up. But I'm really pleased all the parts have come with it, and you can see what a state that is. I believe that is brass, so that should clean up nicely. All the chrome work on here, I'll clean all that up and put all new rubber seals everywhere they require, and I'm going to clean this up as well. And I've got some spare parts and some mantles. What can possibly go wrong? So now I'm giving the parts a gentle clean up with my Dremel. And I've also given this a clean up and add some tea cut on it, although I can probably do better. And I've checked that all these screws are loose. I've cleaned this up, and I've also got some spares from the Tilley man, and a spare mantle. So now it's just time to clean things up, and then I'll start and strip it down and put all new seals in. And I've given this, the combustion chamber, if you like, a clean up, but I'm not going mad polishing everything. I just want to clean it up. All the screws and all of the air pipes, if I can call them that, I've cleaned, and cleaned the inside of them out as well. So now on this lamp, these just pull apart. I've cleaned this up, and I've given this a clean up just in the washing up bowl, and give it a clean on the inside, as it was full of soot. I've checked these and they're loose already. And the paraffin goes up here, and there's a needle in it, and I've made sure that it's all clean, and there's a little spring there which looks to be in good condition. Unscrew the on-off and there's a lock nut on here where when you screw it down you can adjust it to where you want the guard to face. Obviously you don't want to be obstructing the pump. So we'll just unscrew that. Everything's hand tight. I'm really lucky with this. And I have started to clean this up. If you saw my previous pictures, it was in a bit of a state, but I'll try and clean it a little bit better. And that is the pump to get pressure into here, and it's not very good, but I've got all new seals to put in it. So now I'm taking the pump out of here, and there's a bolt at the bottom. You take that off, and there's a spring and at this side of the pump, take off the pump handle. Oops. And this unscrews, and the washer is in very poor state and has just pulled off. So there's a little nut that wants taking off, and a washer that goes behind the nut, and there's also like a spring washer. The leather washer or cork washer, whatever it is held between a spring washer there and this washer, so it can rotate round. So just need to take the nut off, and the washer that I'm soaking in olive oil is ready to go on. So now I've got a new washer on the base of the tap, and I put a new washer on here as well. So just screw these together, just hand tight, and I've cleaned this up as best as I can. And put this locking screw on, what I've just lightly cleaned up, and I don't want the guard in the way of where the pump goes, so I'll just nip that up and tight, and then I'm ready to put this in. And now we come to the pump, and there's a little rubber seal fits in the spring, and of course in the kit there's some little rubber seals, so just put that in the spring. And these fit in the end of the pump, so we'll just screw that back in there, and it adds a bit of pressure, stops paraffin leaking back up into the pump. And then we'll have a look at putting the cork washer or fibre washer back on the pump. So now I've had the pump washer soaking in olive oil. So put on the big washer. And the washer to hold it in place, and the little nut. Tighten the nut up. Just give it a little nip. And you can see that the washer rotates round. Now hopefully, if I can get this in the tube, and now I can screw that back in. Now in my washer set, I did have a new washer, but it doesn't fit this. So I'm going to risk it. It's got a washer on already. I'm going to risk it and nip that up. Thank you very much for watching, and next we'll test the lantern and light it, see if it works. See you on the next video.